Hey everybody, welcome to R53 Productions. We're going to be doing a 4-day adventure here that we're calling Project Jodie. This is a 2006 R53 JCW Competition Edition. It was basically the Canada version of the GP, except without all the fast bits. Has all the bells and whistles, and it was a limited production to 64. This is number 13 of 64, and it's actually a factory screw-up. It's not supposed to have this color combination of hyper blue and white. Today our goal is to get the engine out and onto a stand so that I can move all the accessories over and do some of the subframe work tomorrow, and then hopefully we can start putting the engine back in on the third day. The goal is to get this all said and done in 4 days. There's only going to be a couple of us working on it at any given point. We got Bruce over here already starting on the front end service mode. I'll be stopping and throwing in some special detail every now and then of things that we find out or problems that we discover as we go. So I'll check back with you in a little bit, and with luck, everything will go smoothly, but you know, R53 life, things don't go so well. So anyways, I'll check back in a bit. Cheers. We're done putting it into front-end service mode, and we're going to take a look at some of the things that we've discovered so far. The cracking involved on that intercooler boot there. If that's not already causing some leaks and some issues right there, it's going to. So fortunately I had a couple on the shelf. Try to show you some of the mess involved on this front end. The previous owner put a Detroit-tuned reduction pulley on there, so that's kind of a new thing we didn't see. It's also not an OE dipstick. Harmonic dampener changed to some aftermarket one too. We're going to be changing up that puppy right there. We're going to be putting an OE back on that, and I'm curious to see what's in the airbox. I don't know what kind of filter is going to be in there. We've never seen anything quite like this before. The amount of oil that has come out of this green gasket was absolutely crazy. Never have we seen anything come out that much. It's just oozing down, and it just came flying out. Obviously the intercooler had a bunch of stuff in it, but this was just unbelievable. So here's another update. Had a hard time with all this goop getting the crank position sensor's plug undone on the loom. I said, why don't we just take the CPS sensor off? And as we did such, check this out. Bruce says, well, what's going on with the end of the sensor there? Why is that? It's not all chewed up. Why is it all chewed up? So we then take a look inside. Well, that's not looking good now, is it? All right, everybody, situation update. We are on our, I guess, about 8 hours of working right now. And as you can see, the engine is not out yet. We're so very close, though, at this point. A couple of things I wanted to show you that we came across that I had no idea that we were going to be coming across. The header that we found was not what we were expecting. So that's unfortunate. It came in as an eBay special. Next, here's the throttle body. She's got some RTV going around for whatever reason, who knows why, and it's also on the black tube as well. Check this out. All right, now let's try another alternator that came off Chile. Oh, look at that, it spins. Once again for the other one. Nope, nope. And back to the spinning one. All right, everybody, we're in the home stretch finally. Whatever many hours that was from before, but we're certainly over 8. We're just mounting up the chains to the crane, but we're almost done, and hopefully we can get this done tonight and get this onto a stand so that we can clean and convert everything over. So here we go. All right, so there we go. The engine is out. A lot of discoveries along the way. There's the engine. There's the new engine over there. That's one that's going to be going in. All right. So, thankfully, with Bruce's help, we were able to get this puppy all done in 4 hours extra that I didn't expect, but it is better than not getting it done tonight at all. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube for more videos like this.